A very good afternoon, class 4th students. Yesterday we did question answers and back exercise of chapter number 2, that is skipping shoes. Today we will start workbook exercise. Today we will start with workbook exercise of page number 8, chapter 2, skipping shoes. Let us start. Play with words. A part. What sounds do the following make? Write the missing letters on the blanks. There are some blanks and we have to write missing letters. Number 1. A book falling on the floor. When a book fall on the floor, what sound it makes? It makes thud. Thud. T-H-U-D. Thud. Okay. Second is a stone falling into a river. When a stone fall into a river, then what sound it make? Splash. Splash. S-P-L-A-S-H. Next is a car suddenly braking. When a car suddenly brake, then what sound it makes? Screech. Screech. S-C-R-E-E-C-H. Screech. Next is an engine starting. When an engine is starting, then what sound it makes? When engine starts, it makes vroom. Vroom. V-R-O-O-M. Vroom. Okay, it makes sounds vroom. Fifth is a door being closed loudly. When a door being closed loudly, it makes bang. B-A-N-G. Bang. Okay. Students, these are sounds that it makes. Next is B part. Circle the correct options within the brackets. There are two options and we circle the correct one. First is, why don't you rest for a little while before studying? My mother. Students, what came? What will come? Suggested or explained? Suggested is correct. Okay, because mother is suggested to take some rest before studying. Okay. My mother suggested, why don't you rest for a little while before studying? Okay, mother suggested, not explained. Next is, you have to stay for dinner. Mrs. Horda shouted, insisted. What is correct? Insisted. When any guest came home, then we are not shouted, we are not shout at them, we are insist them to stay for dinner, lunch, tea. Okay. So Mrs. Horda insisted you have to stay for dinner. Okay. Next is, remember to buy some milk on your way home. Karuna warned her husband. Karuna reminded her husband to buy some milk when he will come home. Okay. Karuna reminded her husband, remember to buy some milk on your way home. Okay. Next is, Alka never does her share of the chores. Lata ordered or grumbled? Grumbled. Correct one is grumbled. Lata grumbled. Alka never does her share of the chores. Means she didn't share any household or anything with anybody. Okay. Fifth is, I was late for the function because I got caught in a traffic jam. Dalbir explained or requested? Dalbir explained that why is he late? Why was he late? Because he caught in a traffic jam. Okay. Dalbir explained that why he was late because he got caught in a traffic jam. Next is, you will be fined if you used your phone while driving. The policeman, what policeman? warned Aditya. Okay, policeman warned Aditya that if he will use phone while driving, he will be fined. Okay students, next is use a dictionary to find the meaning of the words in the box. Write them against the given situations. First one is willing to help and oblige. Willing to help and oblige. What is correct answer? Accommodating. When we have willing to help anybody, that is called accommodating. Next is spread paint in unwanted place. Anywhere you spread paint or anything else that make that place or area dirty, that is smudge. Spread paint in unwanted place is smudge. Next is not present in the class. Suppose you are not present in class, then teacher mark you as a absent. Okay students, next is talk without being understood. Talk without being understood, that is gabble. Fifth is good and healthy. Good and healthy, that is good and healthy for any being, that is wholesome. Wholesome. Okay students, in your syllabus there are only 3 parts, part A, B and C. You will write this work on your workbook with pencils. If any doubt is there, then you can message in the class group. Thank you. Bye.